How do we find intersection points, intersection point of two straight lines? Or yeah, how do we find it? Okay, let's look at the question and explain things with the question. Um, uh, Find the coordinates of the intersection of these two lines, 2x plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to x plus 1. So these two lines, when you sketch them, you don't have to sketch them, but say that one of them is, let's say that this is, let's say that this is 2x plus y is equal to 3 line, and that is y is equal to x plus 1 line. So they're going to intersect at one point. In order to find, what's the logic to find the intersection point? This point, intersection point, is on the line of the 2x plus y is equal to 3, as well as it's on the line of y is equal to x plus 1. And this point has to satisfy both equations because it is on the both lines. So if a point is on a line, when you substitute that point into the equation, it has to satisfy the equation. So means that we have to find a common solution. What is the common solution? How do we find the common solution which will satisfy both equations? Simultaneous equations. 2x plus y is equal to 3. And let's move x on this side. That makes negative x plus y is equal to 1. We will solve it as simultaneous equations. Let's multiply the second equation by 2. So that makes 2x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, something is wrong with the writing here. So that is 2. Okay, 2x plus y is equal to 3. And negative 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. When we add them, so we can eliminate this 2. That makes, this is 2y. That makes 3y. 3y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 over 3. So if y is equal to 5 over 3, then how do we find x? We just take this value and substitute into one of the equations. Let's substitute in the first equation, negative x plus y 5 over 3 is equal to 1. Negative x is equal to 1 minus 5 over 3. Negative x is equal to negative 2 over 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 5 is negative 2 over 3. If you divide both sides by negative 1, so that's going to be y is equal to 2 over 3. So what is the intersection point? Y is equal to 2 over 3, x is equal to 2 over 3, and y is equal to 5 over 3. So that's the intersection point of these two lines. So if you take these x and y values and substitute in both equations, it will satisfy the equations. Let's look at the second example here. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of two lines. Again, we are going to solve it like simultaneous equations. 2x plus 3y. Let's move negative 6 on the other side as positive 6. X minus 2y. Let's move negative 10 on the other side. Positive 10. And when we add them, it will simplify. 4x is equal to 16. X will be equal to 4. Let's substitute in one of the equations. Let's substitute it here. 4 minus 2y is equal to 10. We substitute 4 instead of x. Negative 2y is equal to 10 minus 4. Negative 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to negative 3. So what is the intersection point? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative 3. Find the equation of the straight line through the point of intersection. Okay, we are looking for a line which is passing through the intersection point of these two lines, intersection point of these two lines and that point. Let's say that this is the line of x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. That is the line of 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So it's going to go through this point and another point here, 3, negative 1. So we are looking for equation of this line. So how do we find it? First, I have to find the equation of the intersection point. How do I find intersection point of these two lines? Simultaneous equation. X plus 3y is equal to negative 4, move other side, positive 4. 3x minus 4y is equal to plus 1, move other side, negative 1. So we, yes, let's equalize x, let's eliminate x. Negative 3x, negative 9 is equal to negative 12. And that makes 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 1. Eliminated. Negative 13y is equal to negative 13. And then y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, let's substitute it here. X plus 3 times 1 is equal to 4. X plus 3 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Then what is our intersection point? Our intersection point is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So the line that passing through here, the line which is passing through, we are trying to find the equation of the line passing through 1, 1 and 3, negative 1. How do we find, okay, let's write it here. How do we find the equation 1, 1, 3, negative 1? Equation of a line which is passing through these 2 points. So I will find the gradient y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 1 x2 minus x1. That makes negative 2 over 2. That makes negative 1. So what is the general formula? Y is equal to mx plus c. So that's going to be y is equal to, let's substitute negative 1 here. Negative 1x, that makes negative x plus c. Then substitute one of this point. Let's say for 1 and 1 in order to find c. Y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So c will be equal to 1 plus 1. C is equal to 2. So what's the equation of the line? Y is equal to negative x plus 2. Okay. And let's look at the example here. What is that example? Okay. Find the intersection points of y is equal to x minus 3, x minus 1, and y is minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is not a straight line. If I expand it, it's going to be x squared minus x minus 3x plus 3. That makes x squared minus 4x plus 3. Yep. And y is equal to, let's move all the things other side, positive x, positive 3. So this is a parabol. This parabol and this line intersect. So the question is find the intersection points. So what does it mean? Then I will equalize them. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3. Because I'm trying to find common solutions, which when I substitute instead of x in the both formulas, it has to satisfy both equations because intersection points are on the linear line as well as on the parabol. So we move everything on the other side. X squared minus 4. Since this is a quadratic equation, we equalize it to 0. Negative 3 is equal to 0. So that makes x squared minus 5x. 3 negative 3 is equal to 0. So how do I solve this? X common parenthesis, x minus 5 is equal to 0. What does it mean? X is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0, which is x is equal to 5. Is it done? No, I have to find the y coordinate also. If x is equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to, I can substitute this here or here. It doesn't matter because this point is on both. So that's going to be 0 plus 3. That will be easier to substitute in this equation. So the first point is 0, 3. If x is equal to 5, then y is equal to, instead of x substitute 5, y is equal to 8. So the other intersection point is x is 5, y is equal to 8. So there are two intersection points.